A central station fire alarm system, also known as a central monitoring station fire alarm system, is a comprehensive fire protection system that is designed to provide round-the-clock monitoring and response to fire-related emergencies in buildings. Here are some key features and components of a central station fire alarm system. 1. Central Monitoring Station. This is a facility where trained operators monitor fire alarm systems remotely. The station receives signals from various connected fire alarm systems and takes appropriate actions in case of an emergency. 2. Fire Alarm Control Panel, FACP. The FACP serves as the central control hub for the fire alarm system. It receives signals from various fire detectors and devices, such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, manual pull stations, and sprinkler systems. It processes these signals and sends them to the central monitoring station. 3. Fire detectors and devices. These are the sensors and devices that detect the presence of fire or smoke. They include smoke detectors, heat detectors, flame detectors, and manual pull stations. When these devices detect a fire or an emergency, they send signals to the FACP. 4. Communication channels. Central station fire alarm systems typically use various communication methods to transmit signals from the fire alarm system to the central monitoring station. These methods may include telephone lines, cellular networks, internet connections, or radio frequency communication. 5. Monitoring and response. Trained operators at the central monitoring station receive signals from the fire alarm systems. They assess the nature of the emergency and take appropriate actions, which may include notifying the occupants, dispatching emergency services, or contacting the building owner or designated individuals. 6. 24/7 monitoring. Central station fire alarm systems provide continuous monitoring services, ensuring that any fire-related emergency is detected and responded to promptly, even when the building is unoccupied or during non-business hours. 7. Compliance and reporting. Central station fire alarm systems often need to comply with local fire codes and regulations. They may generate reports on system status, alarms, and responses for compliance purposes and record keeping. These systems play a crucial role in enhancing fire safety and minimizing the risk of property damage and loss of life in buildings. They provide a centralized and monitored approach to fire detection and response, offering peace of mind to building owners, occupants, and emergency responders.